Hey everyone, welcome back to Mickey is Messing with Resin. My name is Mickey. Let's get to messing. Alright, I've mixed up about 6 ounces of the JDiction High Gloss Epoxy Resin. It's a 1-to-1 resin. It's a medium to low viscosity resin. I put it in my Resiner's Airless Pro bubble removing machine for 10 minutes, and I've also let it sit here for another 10 minutes. It's a little chilly in my house, so I'm trying to get it up to bloom temp. So it's at right now 34.7, and I think that's a good time to decant. So I'm going to do 35 grams in my cup here for the white bloom part. My arm's probably in your way so you can't see. So that's 35. All right. All right. And then the rest is going in the mold. Let's put our colors in tonight, whatever time it is in your world. I'm using Alcohol Inks by Let's Resin. I'm using Aquamarine, Dark Orchid, and Magenta. And for my white bloom, I'm going to be using a white pigment paste, and I'm going to toss in a little bit of this Aurora mica powder, and it does have a little bit of pink, purple, green hues to it. I got these mica powders that's in this set of the Matio chrome powder set. It's a set of 10, and they're all this white, it's like more of a white Chameleon mica powder than it is others. I don't know if you can see the different colors in the light, but that's what I'm going to add to my white. So for starters, let's go ahead and add our alcohol ink. I'm going to do the Dark Orchid on the outside. So I'm just going to do 12, 6, 3, 9, and split the diff. Right there, there, and there. Okay, let that move. Then I'm going to do the magenta. And I'm going to try and do just on the inside, but I do want this to touch the purple in there. All right. And finally, we are going to put in the aquamarine right in the center. 1, 2. 2 drops ought to do it. I hope that was the center anyways. So now let's get our white mixed up. This is my knockoff eye candy white pigment paste that I got from Amazon. I can still see my stick through it, so that's good. This is going to wipe off. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and swirl. I'm going to swirl these colors together. Okay. I can see some of the shimmer already in the white. So let's go ahead. We're going to start at 12 and pull in. We're going to come in at 9. Come in at 3. And did I say 9? I meant 6. I just realized I think I said 9. That's 9. Now we're going to split the difference. And from what I've learned by watching other channels is always go opposite when you're pulling in, because you don't want to move your center. And guys, I want a lot of petals, so I'm going to split all of these again. But I'm just going to stop short of the center this time. Do I do any outs? Should I do any outs? Maybe just a little. 1, 2, 3. Oops. 4, 5. We'll see how this turns out. I'm going to put a black back on here, and when I see you next, it'll be time to demold this gorgeous, what is this called? Geode tray mold by Molds and Shapes. All right. Until we meet again. See you soon. Bye. Hey guys, we are back. A quick little blurb. Look how gorgeous this looks. I have high hopes right now. I have super high hopes. And I think so far this looks, I just wanted to pop in and show you what the back looks like before I put the back coat on, because I'm about to put this back coat on, and I'm thinking there's nothing else to do but black. So I'm going to do that, and when we come back, it'll be time for demold. See you soon. All right, guys, we are back. This is, I got crap all over the bottom. All right, this is the mold, the Geode Tray Mold by Molds and Shapes. And I did a backing on this one in Kokuyo Black, and I threw some Interference Violet in there by Let's Resin, some mica powder. And I am so excited to see how this turned out. So what do you think? Should we unmold? Sure, okay. Can you see the shimmer of that purple and that? Isn't that gorgeous? I'm trying to get it in the light. Oh, so pretty. I do love mixing interference powder with black because it's just so stunning. And I have really high hopes for this bloom because I thought it turned out well. The back looked so good. So let's take a look and see what we got here. All right, I'm scared. My eyes are closed. And holy moly, it shifted. But oh my goodness. You guys. This is, you know what? Don't look at those blobs in the center. This is what I care about. How gorgeous. You guys, this backing color is perfect. Oh my God, I have no words. I have no words. These outer blooms are probably the best I've ever gotten. Nice and light. These are kind of crap, but like I said, ignore that. I hate the fact that it shifted, but holy cow. What do you guys think? I love it. I absolutely love it. I'm going to get some pictures out in the sunshine and add those in, but please let me know what you think of this in the comments below. I was so excited. I'm so glad it turned out the way I thought it would. You can see, because I did put some of that ghost powder in the white as well. You can see that coming through. Oh my God. I can't wait for you guys to see this in the sunlight. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Again, I will make sure that I link everything in the description below, everything I use. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to answer them. And I just want to thank you all for watching. I'm speechless. I can't stop looking at it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all that jazz. So, until we see each other again, see ya.